Importance of health and fitness in our daily life. Hello and welcome to our video on the importance of health and fitness in our daily lives. Activities over our own well-being. We live in a fast-paced world where it's easy to prioritize work, social obligations, and leisure. But the truth is, our health and fitness levels have a huge impact on every aspect of our lives. Here are just a few of the ways that maintaining good health and fitness can benefit us. Increased energy levels. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can give us more energy to tackle the tasks of daily life and pursue our goals. Improved mood. Exercise has been shown to improve mood and reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Better sleep. Staying active and eating a healthy diet can help improve the quality of our sleep, which is essential for overall well-being. Increased productivity. When we feel our best, we're able to be more productive and efficient in both our personal and professional lives. Disease prevention. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can reduce the risk of many chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. But it's not just about preventing negative outcomes. Good health and fitness can also lead to improved quality of life. When we feel fit and healthy, we have more energy to enjoy the activities we love and spend time with the people we care about. So, how can we maintain good health and fitness in our daily lives? Here are a few tips. Eat a healthy, well-balanced diet. This means plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Stay active. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise per week. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to give your body time to rest and recover. Stay hydrated. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water per day to keep your body well hydrated. Take breaks and relax. It's important to take breaks and relax to reduce stress and maintain overall well-being. In conclusion, maintaining good health and fitness is crucial for our overall well-being and quality of life. By making healthy lifestyle choices and prioritizing self-care, we can live our best lives and pursue our goals with energy and vitality. Thanks for watching.